ahead.
I gotta read. This is the little one.
That's the little one?
You gonna open it?
Yeah, what's inside there? What's inside?
I don't know.
Nothing. There's nothing inside. What is it? What is it? Oh, they're pretty nice colors. There are more colors.
They're markers for your marker board downstairs.
Oh. Those are more markers. Can I open this one?
Yep.
This one is our one.
What do you think's inside there?
Maybe nothing. It's nothing there. But
Not-
there's just stuff in there. There's just stuff in there.
What do you think it is? Did you shake it?
There's a number. There's our number one. There's our number one. There's another number one.
A number what?
There's another number puzzle. Want to play with it? Want to put together?
Well, we could put it together. Do you know what? I bet you have some more presents, though.
Yeah. And then this is a big box. What's inside there?
And why don't you open the big
inside
one
there?
first?
What's inside there? I see stuff in there.
Why don't you open the big one first?
I see stuff in there. Hey, let me put in the other little one. Hey, let me open the little one first.
This is the wrapping paper, Lincoln.
What's in there? There's another Kleenex box. There's another Kleenex box.
Did you get Kleenex?
Nope. 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 Oh. Oh. Yes. It's a little girl. It's a girl.
It's a girl.
Want to take it out?
Okay, we'll show you what you do with that later. How about you open your big one first?
What's inside there? Baby, I see numbers in there.
Yeah.
You want to open it? Maybe we need scissors for this. You want to put together? Want to put this together?
I'm sure we will this afternoon.
Yep. Want to put together? Want to put this together?
Yeah.
He's gonna open it. Maybe he's gonna open snowflake one.
Maybe you'll have to help him because he's just going to eat the other wrapping paper.
Why don't you help him, Emily?
Can you help Lincoln?
Where's in there? Let's see. I see a big box. I see a big box. I see a big box.
Oh, careful.
I see a big box. I see a big box. I see a big box in there. I see a big box. I see a big box. Hey! Hey! I found a box. Maybe it's a box.
What do you think's inside the box?
Lincoln.
Maybe I see stuff in the box. Oh, this inside there.
Well, you got to let him open it too.
Hey!
Let him pull.
What's in there? He's gonna open it.
Yeah, let him pull too.
I'm gonna pull in the wrapper off. Oh, what's in there? What's that? What's that? That's a baby one. That's a baby one.
Okay, give it to Lincoln.
Oh, that's a baby one for Lincoln.
Should we look and see what's in there?
That's just baby. It's just a baby. Lincoln gets some other jammies.
Yeah.
Lincoln got jammies.
Did you find something else in there? You better dig deeper.
Wait, I want to open my tent. Open my
That's-
tent.
That's Lincoln's
That's
tent.
our tent.
Okay,
I
you
wanna-
give Lincoln his jam. Do you know what, Emily? There's more in your stocking. What else is in your stocking?
Maybe there's stuff in there.
Yeah, what else is in there?
Maybe there's
How about you dig in your stocking deeper?
I got our jammies.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got
Okay.
other jammies. These are for me. These are for me. These are for me.
There you go, bud.
These are for me.
Yeah. Well, where do you think the pants are? You better dig in your stocking some more. Find the pants.
What's in there? Oh, it's coming. I found more butterflies. Want to try my butterflies?
We'll put some butterflies in your hair.
Want to put some?
Hey,
You
Bluebird.
want purple or pink? What's inside? Baby, there's our jammies in. I see more jammies. I see stuff in there. What's in there? Nothing. There's nothing in here.
Nothing in your nose either.
There's Emily.
You know what? There's more.
There's more in your stocking, Emily. You gotta keep digging.
I don't keep digging more.
Okay, well, I'll get the rest of your jammies out.
Mm.
Emily, there's one more present.
Emily, come
What's
back
behind
here?
here?
It's
What's behind the snowflakes?
maybe. Lamb. There's a lamb. Is there stuff in? Is there a toy house? Is there a toy house?
Look at that.
It's a toy house. It's a toy house.
It's a dollhouse. Look at that.
You want the doll in there?
Where's your doll at that you got?
Maybe it's hiding. The dog. Where's the dog?
Lincoln. Crazy about the tent.
I peeked out the hole. Has everyone come in again?